In this video, we shall learn how to add links and images in HTML. Let us copy the question, how to add links and images, and see the answer given by ChatGPT. To add links and images to your HTML document, you can use the anchor tag for links and the img image tag for images. Links. Use the AE tag to create a hyperlink. The ref attribute specifies the URL of the page or resource you want to link to. Let us test the given example. Once the site is clicked, it directs the user to an example domain page. Let us go to Google homepage. Link is perfectly working. Now let's learn about images. Use the img tag to embed images in your HTML document. The src attribute specifies the path to the image file, and the alt attribute provides alternative text for accessibility purposes. Let us test the example given by ChatGPT. Create HTML file. Copy and paste the code. You can see the img src is given image.jpg. At first, let us create an image with ChatGPT. You can also take any image from your computer of download from the Google. The image we have uploaded is in PNG format. Therefore, to show the image, we shall have to change the name. You can see the image is showing on the page. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, you may subscribe the channel and share the video. Thanks.